5 minus 8 gives us negative 3. And again here we have 5 minus 8 which equals negative 3. So negative 3 times negative 3 gives us positive 9. But this answer is not correct because according to the order of operations, first we have to do parentheses, then exponents, then multiplication or division, and finally addition or subtraction. Remember that multiplication and division have equal priority and we have to work from left to right. And the same applies to addition and subtraction. Here in this expression we have one subtraction, one multiplication, and one parenthesis. Inside this parenthesis we have one subtraction. Here we have a multiplication because in mathematics when a number is placed next to parentheses, it means multiplication, and we usually don't write the multiplication sign for brevity. Okay, so according to the PEMDAS, first we have to do this parenthesis, then this multiplication, and finally this subtraction. If we do this subtraction before this multiplication or this parenthesis, it is wrong. So first this parenthesis, 5 minus 8 gives us negative 3. So we have 5 minus 8 times negative 3. In this expression we have one subtraction and one multiplication. According to the PEMDAS, multiplication has higher priority than subtraction because multiplication comes before subtraction. Okay, so first this multiplication, negative 8 times negative 3 gives us positive 24. So we have 5 plus 24 which gives us 29. And this is our final answer to this problem. The correct answer is 29.